Welcome to Upcoming Car. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and aggressive muscle cars of 2025, the Dodge Demon two-door. This beast is back, promising extreme horsepower, insane acceleration, and a bold design that's impossible to ignore. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast or just curious about this high-performance machine, stick around as we break down its interior, exterior, performance, and pricing. The 2025 Dodge Demon sticks to its classic muscular roots, but with a few modern touches that make it even more intimidating. Up front, it features a massive blacked-out grille, flanked by redesigned LED headlights that give it a menacing stare. The wide-body stance and aggressive air intakes aren't just for show. They help with cooling and aerodynamics. Dodge has fine-tuned every aspect of this car to maximize downforce and stability, especially at high speeds. The hood comes with an enlarged air scoop to feed the supercharged engine, and depending on the trim, you might get optional carbon fiber accents for a lightweight edge. The rear end is just as dramatic, with a large ducktail spoiler for added grip and bold LED taillights that retain Dodge's signature design. A set of 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance drag radials, completes the look, ensuring this Demon is as ready for the track as it is for the streets. Step inside and you'll find that Dodge has mixed raw power with modern comfort. The cabin is built for performance but doesn't compromise on luxury. Premium Alcantara and leather cover the seats, with optional Recaro racing buckets for those who want a true race-inspired feel. The flat bumper steering wheel, wrapped in perforated leather, gives you a solid grip for those high-speed. The infotainment system features a large 12-inch touchscreen with Dodge's Uconnect interface, offering seamless navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time performance data. The digital instrument cluster can display boost pressure, lap times, and even a drag mode timer, so you always know what your Demon is doing. For weight savings, you can opt for the Track Focus package, which removes unnecessary extras like the rear seats, but if you prefer comfort, you can still get a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Either way, the 2025 Demon's interior is a perfect mix of modern tech and classic muscle car attitude. Now let's talk about what really makes the 2025 Dodge Demon a true monster: the powertrain. Under the hood, Dodge has crammed a 6.2-liter Supercharged HEMI V8, pushing out an insane 900-plus horsepower and 850 mph in just under 2 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars on the planet. Dodge has equipped the Demon with an 8-speed automatic transmission, tuned for lightning-fast shifts. Of course, there's also a manual option for those who prefer total control. The drag-focused suspension, adaptive dampers, and launch control system work together to ensure maximum traction and minimum wheel spin, giving you a serious edge on the strip. Another standout feature is drag mode, which optimizes the car's settings for maximum straight lower speed. Pair that with wide, Nitto drag tires, and you've got a car that's built to dominate. And yes, it still comes with line lock, allowing you to heat up the tires for the ultimate launch. Now, how much will all this performance cost? The base model of the 2025 Dodge Demon starts at around $110,000. But that's just the beginning. With optional upgrades like carbon fiber body panels, track-tuned suspension, and exclusive paint finishes, the price can easily climb to $130,000 or more. However, considering the level of power and performance you're getting, this car is a bargain compared to other high-performance supercars. The 2025 Dodge Demon two-door is an absolute powerhouse, built for those who crave raw speed and unfiltered adrenaline. It's aggressive on the outside, modern on the inside, and completely insane under the hood. Whether you're hitting the track or just want the ultimate muscle car for the streets, the Demon delivers in every way. What do you think about the 2025 Dodge Demon? Is it worth the price? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car content. This is Upcoming Car signing off. See you in the next video.